Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to put your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, or 13 Pro Max in recovery mode. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or need to restore your device, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, let's power off the iPhone. Here's what to do. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Slide it to turn off your iPhone. Step 2. Connect to a computer. Now connect your iPhone to a computer with a lightning cable. If you're on Windows or an older Mac, make sure you have iTunes installed. For macOS Catalina or later, you'll use Finder. Step 3. To put your iPhone into recovery mode, follow these steps. Press and release volume up. Then press and release volume down. After that, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. It'll show a cable icon with the iTunes or Finder logo. Step 4. Use iTunes Finder to update or restore. Once you're in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will detect your iPhone and prompt you with two options: update if you want to reinstall iOS without erasing your data, or restore if you want a fresh start by wiping everything. Visual: screen recording of iTunes Finder with update and restore options. Quick tips: if your iPhone exits recovery mode on its own, just repeat the steps and make sure iTunes or Finder is up to date to avoid any software issues. And that's it. You now know how to put your iPhone 13 into recovery mode like a pro. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you need more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.